welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm really thrilled to show you guys this super beautiful topper, and this is from a company, a gal who I have been following from the very beginning of my hair sharing journey. So I've been wearing hair and add-ons for a very long time, but Fabricating Fringe started in about 2016 at the beginning of the year, and I followed almost every hair company, brand, and person I could find on Instagram at that time. And Tressmerize was a company who I followed immediately. I was instantly drawn to the hair and the way that this gal, the owner, styles the hair. She has such a knack for creating such beautiful styles, and it just drew me in. So Amina is the owner. She started this business and she sells beautiful pieces, and she started because she was looking for something that would help her with her hair issues. I love her story because she kind of went through the transition of always dealing with problem hair as she grew up, and then she dealt with, thin hair after having a baby, and then, going through the damaged hair when you're trying to achieve hair colors. So, and then what occurred after that, if I'm relaying the story correctly, is she ended up having to shave her head after a whole lot of damage after trying to lighten her hair, and she ended up wearing a wig. After that, it was like time to grow out her hair, and through that process, the weird stages of growing out your hair, trying to use clip-in extensions and whatnot, Tressmerize was born because offering a hair kit with clip-in extensions and a top piece combined allows you to really wear a shorter head of hair, yet have the coverage on top, the length underneath, and have the length that you want, but not necessarily wear a wig. So whether you have hair loss or not, you have short hair, you're trying to grow out your hair, hair toppers, volume type extensions can benefit so many people for so many different reasons. I love that this company evolved and turned into what it is because of what she was looking for, seeking out for her own self, and now she's helping others to achieve what they are looking for. And I'm always drawn to companies who are like that because they have experienced that need and that desire for something that they are going to wear themselves. So if they're going to wear it, that it's going to be something that is good quality, that they're willing to put on their own head, and that they stand behind. So this is what they call a divine top. Currently, Tressmerize has two sizes of toppers, the conceal top and the divine top. The divine top is a little bit larger base. I did hear that she's possibly coming out with an even larger size base in the near future. So keep watch for that. It's always nice when there's, a variety of base sizes for everybody's needs. But what I'm sharing with you guys today is the divine top. This is human Remy hair, and it's so nice because you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you would like with it, so it blends seamlessly with your own biological hair. I love that about human hair because whether you need to add highlights, add a root, do customizations, trim it in, thin it out, add extensions underneath, whatever it is that you need to do to blend it into your biological hair, you can do that with this Remy human hair piece. This size of base is fantastic for beginning to medium stages of hair loss. These toppers are great for covering overgrown roots, adding volume. It definitely helps cover, hair thinning, sparse areas. The nice part about this base is that it's not so large that it creates an issue with pulling up into an updo or pony or something like that. I think sometimes when you get giant toppers, it makes it a little bit harder to pull it up in some of these updos because of the bulk that's all around your head. So this does give you the coverage, but it also gives you the ease of pulling up. This color right here is called Latte, and it's 4H22. And what this is, to me, it looks quite chunky highlights, but it's described as a medium brown with slight blonde highlight through it. This shade is very close to our Tress Chic shade. I love this color. In fact, I think it would be really pretty if it was toned with a toner, and this color was a little bit more platinum. I think adding more blonde to it, doing a balayage type look, maybe adding some root. And that's the beauty of these pieces, is you can have fun with it and they can be colored and customized. The length of this topper is right around 20 inches. It's nice and light. That's another thing I love about this piece, is it's not overly bulky. It feels great. It feels great and nice and light on the head. It doesn't tug and pull. It's in a location too where it feels good on the head. This is 105 grams of hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and show you guys the underside. It's really simple to take off. I mean, look at the difference. It's incredible. Okay, look at this beautiful color. I did add some curl to this. It held the curl really well. Now this is a 6 by 6 inch base with 4 pressure sensitive clips. This has a really soft monofilament top, so the hair looks as though it's growing right out of your head. It has multi-directional parting, and it looks like natural hair growth. You can part this baby every which way. So I will give you guys a view of what I look like without this on. The hair loss, the areas of thinning. I did just wash my hair, so it doesn't look quite as thin when it's nice and clean and fluffy. Now, right up front, I did add a little bit of Boost and Blend fibers, just right up at that front hairline. And do take note that my biological hair is just slightly cooler, a little bit more ashy than this Latte color. But, you know, with this topper, it seems to blend just fine. And if I wanted to, I could add some color to my own bio hair. I could add color to this. I mean, you have a lot of possibilities with these pieces. If you guys have any concerns about colors, what to choose, you want to custom order, anything like that, just contact Tressmerize and they can help you with any of your questions or needs. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on. It's really simple and go from there. Whoever thought of toppers is just a genius. For styling inspiration, you guys definitely need to check out Tressmerize on Instagram. The styling, the braids, the clips, the accessories, it's just like to die for. And I'm like, oh, I want to do it all. She just has a knack for styling, and she takes her pieces and just transforms them into the most fun and elegant and trendy looking beautiful styles. So definitely check that out. I'm going to have all those links down below as well to Tressmerize and all of her social media platforms, so that you guys can be aware of any sales or specials or codes or anything that's going on, any new products that are coming out. So all those links down below, check it out. What do you guys think about this beautiful Latte color What do you think about this topper? I think it's a fantastic size for beginning to, mid stages of hair loss. The hair feels really soft, really smooth. It curled wonderfully, it's styled wonderfully. It's really easily pulled up into updos, ponytails, pigtails, you name it. I think that this type of hair, this size of base, everything is just the ideal piece to do updos and creative style with as well. The parting looks really nice, and like I said, you can part this every which way. I'm really impressed with the customer service. And another thing I wanted to point out is the beautiful packaging. Such beautiful packaging. Look at this box, first of all. I just think it's so beautiful. And then you have it's just all the little details. Total hair transformation. Of course, that's exactly what it is. So really nice box. Hair transformation starts here. I mean, you can just tell that Amina, if I'm saying that right, she knows what it's all about, having that total transformation with alternative hair and what it does for you when you clip that on, and it's like, wham bam, thank you ma'am. You feel like Cinderella. So she doesn't skimp out on any of the fine details. I love that about everything that she sent, right down to the really pretty ribbon that was wrapped around this package that has her brand name on it. I mean, all the details, it matters. It matters. So the hair is great. It's wonderful. I have nothing but good things to say. Like I said, all the links will be down below. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful hair. Before I do anything and before I go anywhere, let me do a full turnaround. You guys even see? Very, very pretty. This does have kind of a warm tone to it, this brunette. The reason why I feel that way is because my own biological hair is so ashy. But the contrast, if you look at the difference between my biological hair and this brown, it still blends pretty well. Tressmerize has really great prices, and you guys can get a discount using the code FRINGE20. So I'll have that down below so you don't forget. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, comment below, email me, message me. Go check out Tressmerize over on YouTube. Give her a subscribe, me too. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.